Welcome guys to another video. Today I'm bringing you Heart and Body Naturals and I'm bringing you our new GLP-1 launch. This is probably going to be one of the main things I speak about, even though we have so many different products. But guys, you have to see the power in these GLP-1 all natural products. It's literally going to help you have a reset. So here's the three products that we have. We have Gluco Protect, which has 24 plant minerals and vitamins. We have Slimmer Pro, and we have our lemon and MCT. So I'm just gonna do the bundle to make this video, under 5 minutes. So here's the bundle, $139.85, and you're gonna get three products. But these products are so handcrafted, it makes no sense. Everyone needs to learn about this. So we have a nice breakdown on all of them. So to make a long story short, most of you already understand GLP-1. You already get that there's a flood of insulin in the body for people that are pre-diabetic or diabetic, and the body doesn't know how to handle the insulin, and it usually just stores it as fat, doesn't use it as energy, and it in the metabolism it just shrinks, it gets lower and lower and lower, and you can't burn this fat, and you're getting no energy, you're feeling sluggish. So we're gonna go product by product. So right here, we're just going to pretty much read off of here so we can keep everything fact. So this solution is going to really go after helping the blood sugar. All these things help keep the blood sugar in order, but it's going to be more fat burning. It's going to be more up in your metabolism. So right here, you see we have some patented ingredients. So 24 plant-based vitamins and minerals, along with GLP-1 blood sugar support, a cutting edge approach, and it helps your body manage glucose more effectively. So actually, we're going to probably have to get into this PIP a little bit just so we can get more detailed. I just didn't want to have to go through every individual product. So guys, we're going to scroll. Let's see. All right, here we go. So we're going to just look at a few of the ingredients. So here's one of our patented ingredients, quercetin, probably pronouncing it wrong, but a powerful antioxidant. So this product specifically right here is going to be just a good, like if you do any of these products, this is probably the one you're going to want to do, because you're going to get all your plants, you're going to get all your vital nutrients. It's going to work as an antioxidant because of that. So this ingredient is a blood sugar regulator. It helps insulin sensitivity, reduces oxidative stress, and supports glucose metabolism, making it beneficial for maintaining healthy blood sugars. Quercetin may also protect pancreatic cells, reduce sugar absorption in the gut, and support overall metabolic health, making it a valuable nutrient for blood sugar controls, guys. King. Let's look at mulberry leaf, powerful antioxidant that supports glucose regulation and metabolic health. Research suggests that it helps enhance insulin sensitivity, reduce blood sugar spikes, and combat oxidative stress, making them a valuable natural compound for maintaining a balanced blood sugar level and overall wellness. And this is going to be a product you take before you eat your high carb meal, so your dinner. You're going to take this before, and it's going to help you, because when you get a lot of carbs in, or you're eating things that break down into quick dissolving sugars, it spikes your blood sugar. So if you want to take anything out on what you should be eating, is more foods that are slow digesting, more fruits, more vegetables, and really more vegetables, because anytime you're eating like white rice, sugars, it dissolves so quick in the body that it floods the body with insulin. Earthlight. So here also, this is another thing. This is a nice source of vitamin D and K2. So crucial. So here's the vitamin D part with Earthlight, which is another patented ingredient, a crucial fat soluble nutrient that plays a key role in the glucose metabolism, insulin sensitivity, and overall metabolic health. It regulates blood sugar levels, reduces inflammation, and supports immune function, making it essential for maintaining balance, energy, cardiovascular, which is super key, health, and long-term wellness, guys. And we can go on and on. Those are just a few ingredients in this product, guys. So if we look at the Slimmer Pro, this is going to be more for the fat burning side of things. So it's a powerful daily supplement crafted to support weight loss, curbing appetite and cravings, naturally boost metabolism without the jitters or crashes. Whether you're managing your weight improving your energy, or simply aiming to feel better in your body, Slimmer Pro offers a clean, effective solution to help you stay on track with your goals. And there's more patented ingredients in this, guys. Let's actually just go through this one as well. Might as well, since we're here. So if we scroll down, we're just going to go through, maybe some of them. So we have the same one we had here. Let's go through this one. Sensoral. These active compounds found in ashwagandha are known for their adaptogenic, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties. They help reduce stress-related weight gain by lowering cortisol levels, supporting balanced energy, and improving metabolic function, with analoids also aiding in regulating blood sugar and reducing inflammation, making them valuable for managing weight and promoting overall metabolic and hormonal health. It's a lot to unpack. Tongue twister. It's so much stuff going on. And like I said, these combo of products are going to be next level. Siberian ginseng. These active compounds are known for their properties that help the body manage stress and maintain energy balance. So weight management, reducing stress cravings, again, metabolism, enhancing physical stamina, blood sugar regulation, adrenal. So you were now we're speaking adrenal and liver function, making them beneficial for overall metabolic health and resilience. Listen, these are just a couple ingredients that I'm going through in each one. And this one I saved for last because this one is even powerful. They're saying that this product can help you burn an extra 400 calories a day just in itself. So the lemon and MCT oil, formulated, crafted to support your metabolism, energy levels, and overall health. The powerful blend combines the weight management benefits of Xanagan, which is a fast absorbing energy of medium chain triglyceride MCT oil, making it an ideal daily companion to your health. So let's actually look at this PIP real quick. And all our products come with a PIP. It shows you how to make it, who can make it, who should take it, who not, how many times, the whole nine, what's in our product, etc. So listen, we should already know the powerful benefits of lemon. Peppermint also promotes liver health. So this product is really going to be around flushing the liver as well. You see, you got your grapefruit essential oil, which also is good at burning gut fat. So let's just look into some new stuff. Let's look into the Xanagan right here. The two different components that make up this is a powerful carotenoid found in brown seaweed, recognized for its ability to support fat burning, boost metabolism, and aid in healthy weight management. It promotes liver health by supporting natural detoxification processes and reducing inflammation with antioxidant properties. Protects cells from oxidative stress, making it a valuable nutrient for overall metabolic and cellular wellness. This rare omega-5 fatty acid found in pomegranate seed oil is known for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It supports healthy weight management by enhancing fat metabolism and reducing fat accumulation. This acid also promotes liver health by helping you reduce oxidative stress and supports natural detoxification, making it a valuable nutrient for metabolic and overall wellness. Listen, I'm telling you, these things working in one package, and it's a very affordable price. And I'm actually surprised that they bundle these up because they're usually around $59 each. So this package alone, I'm going to be talking about it a lot, whether you're pre-diabetic or diabetic. It really doesn't matter. I think everyone should be using these. More so the Gluco Protect and the Lemon and MCT. These two alone should be in everybody's daily diets, especially if you're holding on to that gut and you're holding on to fat. You have low energy. You need to get the gut in order, you need to get the pancreas in order, and you need to have the liver in order if you want to burn fat and have that body you want and just feel and have that overall optimal health, guys. So this is just a video around this new launch. Hope I kept the video short enough. If you want more information, guys, the website's going to be in the description. If you're seeing this on another platform, comment how in the comment section, or I should have the website in the comment section.